Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Lloyds Bank debit card step by step clearly. First, take your new Lloyds debit card and check that your name is correct and the card is not damaged. Locate your PIN letter or your PIN in the Lloyds app if you have already requested or viewed it there. Make sure you have your phone with signal or access to a cash machine, because activation needs a real transaction. If you have not done it yet, download the Lloyds Bank mobile banking app from the official App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your username and password, or complete registration if this is your first time. In the app, confirm your personal details and enable notifications so you can see security alerts quickly. Now decide which method you will use: cash machine activation, chip and PIN purchase, or app-based steps plus a transaction. For the easiest method, go to a Lloyds or any UK cash machine with your card in hand. Insert your card into the cash machine and choose your preferred language if asked. Enter your 4-digit PIN carefully and make sure no one can see you typing it. Select balance inquiry or cash withdrawal, because either option can activate the card. If you choose cash withdrawal, withdraw a small amount and take your cash and receipt if you want one. Remove your card when the machine returns it, because leaving it behind can risk fraud. Your card is usually activated immediately after this successful chip-in-PIN cash machine transaction. If you cannot reach a cash machine, you can activate by making a chip-in-PIN purchase in a shop. Take your card to a store and choose something low cost. Then tell the cashier you will pay by card. Insert the card into the card reader when asked, not contactless, because contactless may not activate it first. Enter your PIN and wait for the payment to be approved. Once the chip-in-PIN payment is approved, your card is activated and ready for normal use. After activation, you can start using contactless payments, usually up to the contactless limit set by UK rules and Lloyds. If contactless does not work right away, do one more chip-in-PIN transaction to unlock contactless fully. To manage your card, open the Lloyds app and go to Card Management or Debit Card Settings. Check that your card is not frozen, and unfreeze it if you previously turned on the freeze feature. If you have set spending limits or security controls, adjust them to match how you plan to use the card. For online shopping, make sure your mobile number is correct so you can receive verification codes when needed. If the card still will not activate, call the number on the back of your card or use the in-app help for support. If your card is lost or you suspect fraud during setup, freeze the card in the app immediately and report it. Keep your PIN private, never share it, and avoid writing it down where others can find it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.